Last December 28, 2018, a courier service in Clark International Airport discovered a package declared as food and clothing containing cans of tomato paste accidentally leaked. After examination by the Bureau of Customs Commission examiner, it was found out that each can contains 2 kilos of shabu and 1,000 or what's it? 200 pieces of ecstasy. So, ito po yun yung dalawang boxes on my right side. These first 2 boxes on my right, diyan po nakalagay yung mga tomato paste na nagkaroon ng leakage, nag-leak yung lata, kaya na-discover ng Bureau of Customs. And eventually, chinek po yan, binuksan yan, and PDEA was called to also join the investigation. After the discovery, all articles declared as canned goods were subjected to non-intrusive examination by means of X-ray and joint PDEA and Bureau of Customs K9 sweeping. On January 10, Bureau of Customs and PDEA intercepted 3 kilos of Kush, that's the hybrid marijuana, and 4 kilos of shabu in Clark Airport from Las Vegas. In the same package. Ito po yung luggage na colored black, kung saan po nakalagay yung ating 3 kilos of Kush. Now, on January 13, another similar package of tomato sauce or tomato paste was intercepted by Bureau of Customs. Upon inspection, it yielded more or less 12 kilos of shabu. Ito po yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes na ang laman po ay tomato paste pa rin sa loob. Bawat can contains 250 grams of shabu. So, ang total po niyang 5 boxes na yan, it yielded 12 kilos of shabu. Now, on January 14, Bureau of Customs and PDEA intercepted 2 kilos of shabu in Clark Airport with the same package, again from Las Vegas. Ito po yon, yung mga last, on my leftmost, kung saan nakikita natin yung mga tomato paste, na kung saan sa loob, mismong tomato paste, ay may mga shabu sa loob. The total is 14 kilos worth 95.2 million pesos. Iba pa po yan yung nung December 28, kung saan naglalaman yung 1 kilo ng shabu at saka yung 200 pieces of ecstasy. Hindi pa rin kasama dyan yung 3 kilos ng Kush. Based on the report, the ecstasy is worth 15.4 million. The Kush is worth 3.79 million. And the other one is 1 kilo of shabu is 9.8 million. So the total worth is 112.39 million pesos.